Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ASUS ZenFone Zoom, and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So basically all we have to do is to open the recent, and in this device you have to simply tap on this icon with two rectangles or this kind of box, something like that. Simply tap on it, and as you can see there, we've got the list of all previously opened apps. Of course, if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of them. Just tap on this X button, or you can swipe it to the right or to the left. But if you've got a lot of apps opened and you don't really want to waste the time to close them manually, simply tap on this rocket icon right here, and as you can see, we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.